everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. We are outside in these basket streets today, and I'm just coming on to show you my setup today. As you can see, I got my flag pole. My flag is flying, y'all. And if you're wondering, I ordered this flag off of Amazon. But we got it flying today. And I have all of my baskets out here today, and all of my pots and all of my shovels. Hope to be able to do a repeat tomorrow. We'll see. My grandsons go home tonight because they go back to school, and so my daughter goes to school tomorrow. So it will be me and Mom and my other daughter. If she is not working tonight or she's able to help me, then we can get set up tomorrow as well. If I carry these baskets into next weekend, then I will get a U-Haul. But right now, this is what I'm working with. I have had 3 sales so far today. And of course, one of them is going to be a story time on Wednesday night. So make sure you tune into the live. I did make 3 more baskets this morning and plan to make a few more. So you all be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.